Yeah, I mean, I knew we were going to have some fun. A bunch of late 50s, early 60s guys. So, there's always going to be a few laughs, a couple beers, some wine.
The fact that I'm doing that, and I'm doing this, confessing to it. No, you guys know this is something rare.
I was really worried about him. It was scary.
But he was just having a little sweet snack with his coffee.
I was drinking my coffee. I'm all, it'd be good to have something sweet with that. So, and there was 6 cookies there, so I just took one, right?
Those cookies, those were right up here. They've been hermetically sealed for 2 years.
It's like a peanut butter cup cookie.
These savings for special occasions, special people. We can guarantee you the time of your life. You can have a near-death experience without dying.
And I'm all, hey, do a movie.
Didn't expect this though.
SK, who is an associate of mine, grows a medicinal marijuana. Was kind enough to prepare a nice medley of cookies with the special sauce that she grows in her garden.
And I walked over to Tim in the kitchen, and he told me that Nasser wanted to go to the hospital. I had no idea why. So I walked over to the casita where Nasser and the guys were, and Nasser was on the bed. And I did what any good friend would do in a moment like that, is I started filming.
I ate something. I don't know what was in the cookie. I'm freaking out.
I didn't read the label apparently.
You can feel what it's like to be on the precipice of death.
To my kids and my wife, I love them. I feel like I'm gonna die. I swear to God.
Hey there, champ. A friend told me you got a little too high. I'm sorry, pal. This sucks. You may feel like you've gone permanently insane, or like you're dead. Here's the good news. You're alive, and your sanity is probably intact.
Tell Mindy I love her, Doug.
What are you feeling?
God.
Like, are you
I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm just supposed to say goodbye to you.
like your heart or what?
I feel like I'm gonna stop my heart because I'm gonna freak myself out, and the heart will stop.
But he's
That's
not.
what it feels like.
But he's not racing though.
Okay.
It's not racing though.
It was clear he was tripping, so it was funny to us, but it wasn't funny to him. He thought he was going to die.
There was a little bit like almost like a whimpering, a little bit like he started like really just saying.
Mindy, I love you, Sophia. Layla, Lasha. I can't believe I'm like my mom. Don't let me go, please. I don't want to leave them alone.
He was like an out-of-body experience. He's talking, but you can tell it's not Nasser because you know him. And it was the craziest thing to see him saying things and acting so strange. It was scary.
Talking things through can do wonders and remind you that you're a person and not just a cloud of terrifying thoughts.
Those tiny bits are
Yep,
my only chance
they
for
get
you
long-
guys.
they
Don't
get
let me
bigger
go
and
yet.
bigger.
It's my only chance for you guys to save me.
Right.
Okay?
Well, we're not
Because I know
leaving.
I'm going on the trip again.
Right.
Okay? So
We're
no
leaving.
matter what
We're
I
staying
say,
here the whole time with you.
do not let me. I need to. I can't. I don't want to die for my kids.
It's time to call a trusted friend.
You need to call Narvik, man.
I know I should drink milk, because it'll help me grow up big and strong.
Milk. He says milk.
Milk.
Milk?
Milk! It does the body good!
How do you feel about Brad? He's a good dude, man.
You guys can help bring me back.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to leave. I'm going to go.
We're not
I
leaving
feel like
you.
I'm going to die.
You might be feeling way too high for a few hours, but let's not focus on that now.
Hey, what's the story with him?
Yeah, check it.
What's he doing? Yeah. I'm keeping him away from sharp objects.
I got a steal on peanut butter cookies.
This is how it all began. This little cookie jar right here.
We were ready to go to Twin Peaks, and I said, we're not going to leave you. We'll stay with you. And that's when extreme love started pouring out of Nasser.
The most important thing that we all found out is the love that Nasser has for his family.
Yeah. The main thing
What?
Nasser cares about is his family.
It really came out in your near-death experience.
All right, kid.
Are you
And then
going?
also, do you want to talk about how you... Well, I don't want to record it to say that.
Okay.
Always going back in.
I see what's going on.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
I'm basically dying, and you guys are able to pull me out.
Yep, we're
So-
coming back.
We did discover that he loves all of us very, very much, which was very nice to hear. And he loves his family and kids as well, too. So at least we've got that going for us.
Nasser says I'm gonna skip on Twin Peaks. We knew he was in trouble.
No, it's more attractive than a Twin Peaks girl chucking axes with deadly precision. Yeah, me neither.
That was the first thing, it's true. When he said he wasn't going to Twin Peaks, that was
our first thing.
Yeah.
For Nasser, not to go to Twin
What
Peaks.
else is there? That's it. I mean, why is there a second thing?
Body so needs sleep. So needs sleep. And it's not just 3 nights that you haven't slept in a week. Your sleep sucks.
Love you.
Love you too.
Feel free to watch this video as many times as you want. Nothing bad will happen as a result, little buddy. You're going to be okay. Isn't that right? That's right.
Do you like these cookies, Ness?
Fuck, no.